Welcome to the top 10 daily motivational quotes that will lead to your fulfilling life. Repeat these throughout the day and see your life change. Day 25. Top 10 quotes of the importance of staying positive. Before we begin, please subscribe, like, and share to bless someone. Thank you. 1. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Zig Ziglar. 2. Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. Zig Ziglar. 3. Every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. 4. Happiness is not the absence of problems, but the ability to deal with them. 5. The more you practice gratitude, the more you realize how much there is to be thankful for. 6. Smile, because it confuses people. Smile, because it's easier than explaining what is killing you inside. 7. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. 8. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. C.S. Lewis. 9. Don't count the days, make the days count. Muhammad Ali. 10. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept the apology you never got. R. Brault. Tomorrow's top 10 quotes is on building meaningful relationships. Don't miss it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share to bless someone. Thank you.